Yo, man, listen. We live. We outside of Home Depot. I'm getting ready to go inside and give y'all on some things you're gonna need to buy to start your new window cleaning business, man. This was where I came when I started my window cleaning business. This is where I came to get my starter materials. As I got better and more advanced at window cleaning, I went to another spot to get my stuff. But when I first started, I came to Home Depot. I'm gonna show you what I bought. All right, let's go. Peace. Come on. Kill it. All right, y'all. This is what we got. All right. So we in Home Depot. Come on this side right here, Sean, because we got that light behind us. It'll be better. Little Sean on the camera. Shout out to Little Sean. So we're here in Home Depot. This is where I came when I started my window cleaning business. I had got out of federal prison. I was 47 years old. I had a bachelor's degree in accounting. I had a master's degree in finance. I couldn't get a job nowhere. I was playing poker for a living, but that was too up and down, too unpredictable. So shout out to my man Keith Kalfas, man. I saw Keith Kalfas on YouTube. He was cleaning windows in the middle of winter in Michigan. And I said, yo, if homeboy could clean windows in Michigan, I could do it here in Jersey. So I came to Home Depot, and this is where I came first. I was inexperienced. I had no idea what I was doing. I had never cleaned windows in my life. And I had never cleaned a window in my life. I came here, this is where I started. So I bought this bucket right here. This is the exact bucket I bought. This is the exact bucket. $19.99. All right, it was a double bucket. I used to keep my squeegee and my mop on that side and the water on one side. This is $20. You could come and get you a pole. I got me a pole like this. All right, I got this pole. This pole is 50. What size is this? 18 foot. This is $40. All right. I bought that. I bought a mop. I bought a mop. This is the mop that you're gonna need to dip in your water. This is what you do to clean your windows, right? And you get a squeegee. This is your squeegee. It already comes with a rubber inside. So this is $14. This is $19. So this is $20, $19, $39, right? $14, $39, was that 54, 53, $53, right? No, this is 14, 39, $53, right? The pole, $40, 53 and 40, $93. So far we got $93, right? Then I bought some of these, right? These are like real smooth glass and mirror cloths. These are what? $5, $93, $98, right? Then I got some Dawn. This Dawn was down there. I think this is about $5. So 98, 103, right? And what else did I buy? I think that's it, man.
I thought you.
Huh?
I thought you bought like a rag, like for your your pocket.
Right. Okay. But at first, I didn't have no belt. When I first started, I wasn't that good. I didn't have a belt. Later on, if you watch some of my videos, you'll see that I was wearing a utility belt. I bought that later. But when I first started, like I say, I was new. This is all I bought, man. I had the pole, the bucket, all of this stuff. Show it down here, so you got it. And the dawn. If you're starting off, you use this with water, all right? Put a little dawn in there, mix it with some water. That's what you do to mop your window. $103, man. That's all it costs for you to get started. The next thing you need, all you need is water after that. As you get more experienced, you could get other stuff. You could get a towel, you know, utility belt. You get a scraper. You could get a scraper for, all right, here's a glass scraper. You need one of these. This is $12. This is $13. So 103, 116, $116, and you can start your window cleaning business. And you can go out and you can make 100 a day, 200 a day, 300 a day, 400 a day, 500 a day. The better you get and the more experience you get, you know, obviously the more money you can make. You know, if you can go out and make, I never made this kind of money, but I saw dudes that made this kind of money. They will go out and make 300 in a day. There's 30 days in a month. That's $9,000 a month for an investment of what? $116. So you can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat it. And obviously the better you get, hold it up a little bit, Sean. Obviously the better you get, you know, the more money you can make. You got some guys that go out and make 700 in a day, 1,000 in a day, right? However much you want to hustle is however much you want to make. So ain't no excuses. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't got no job and you don't like working for nobody like me, I hate working for nobody. I don't like bosses. I don't like authority figures. I don't like reporting to nobody. I don't like working for nobody. So I went out and I started me a window cleaning business. And I started off, my first window was a $3 window. You understand? By the time I was done, I had 7 Taco Bells, 6 Domino's pizzas, diners, restaurants, Burger King. I had really grew the business up, and you know, I was able to take care of me and my son with it. So just wanted to give y'all a little something on that. You know, this is where we at. Sean G, window cleaner with soul. Sean G, peace.